Welcome to my Wellness Hacks 3-minute mindful guided meditation. Reduce stress and anxiety. Get focus and clarity. Find a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes and imagine yourself floating on a serene lake. The water is still and clear, reflecting the blue sky above. You can hear the gentle sound of water lapping at the shore. You feel the sun softly warming your face. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Focus your attention on the top of your head and take a moment to scan your body from head to toe, noticing any areas of tension or discomfort. As you exhale, release any tension, letting go of any negative thoughts. You let them drift off like leaves gently floating away on the surface of the lake. Moving down to your face and jaw, release any tightness you might feel there. As you move down to your shoulders and neck, imagine any stress or tension being carried away by the gentle ripples on the surface of the lake. Continue to scan your body, focusing on your chest, stomach, your limbs, releasing any discomfort or tension that you find. Release any negative thoughts with each exhale, letting them gently drift away. Bring your attention to your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Allow yourself to fully immerse in this peaceful moment and enjoy the tranquility of the lake. Continue to breathe deeply and steadily, feeling yourself becoming more and more relaxed with each breath. Finally, take one last deep breath in and exhale slowly, letting out an audible sigh. Open your eyes. You are now feeling refreshed and completely at peace, ready to take on